In this video, I'm going to answer the question, is Base44 free to use? The short answer is yes, Base44 does have a forever free plan, but there's an important detail you need to know right away. It is highly limited, and it is mainly designed as a trial so you can test the platform before deciding whether to upgrade. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software answers and tutorials, just like this. It really helps the channel, and it tells me to make more videos like this one. Now let's break down exactly what the free plan includes so you know what to expect before you sign up. Base44's free plan gives you 25 message credits per month for building with AI. That means when you're using the AI features to create or generate things inside the platform, you'll be working with a very small monthly allowance. On top of that, the plan also includes 100 integration credits per month for running app services. So while you can try the product and explore the workflow, the free tier is not really built for heavy use or long-term production work. What this means in practice is that Base44 Free is best if you want to test the interface, try a few ideas, and see whether the platform fits your needs. If you're only experimenting or evaluating the tool, the forever free plan may be enough to get started. But if you plan to build actively, use AI often, or rely on integrations regularly, you'll likely run into the limits very quickly. So, if you were asking, is Base44 free to use? The answer is yes. But with restrictions, it is free forever, yet limited enough that most users will probably view it as a trial version rather than a full free solution. Always check the latest plan details on Base44's official website before you commit, since pricing and credit limits can change over time. If this quick answer helped, please like the video and subscribe for more simple software explanations, app tutorials, and platform breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.